Imagine unlocking the secrets of an economy that's as diverse and vibrant as India's. The enigma of India's economy, the world's fifth largest by nominal GDP, is a puzzle that intrigues economists and finance enthusiasts alike. It's a complex, multifaceted gem, sparkling with a blend of traditional and modern sectors. From the bustling tech startups in Bangalore to the age-old agricultural practices in the rural heartlands, it paints a picture of contrast and coexistence. Gold, a symbol of wealth and prosperity, plays a unique role in India's economy. It's not just a precious metal, it's an integral part of the financial fabric, woven into the rituals and traditions of the country. And then, there's the massive unorganized sector, often overlooked, yet contributing significantly to the nation's GDP. It's a world within a world, operating parallel to the mainstream economy. But beneath the surface, India's economy holds secrets that even the most seasoned economists find fascinating. Gold, a symbol of wealth and prosperity in India, but did you know it's also a secret vault of the nation's economy? Gold in India is not merely a shiny trinket or a status symbol. It's a deeply ingrained part of the culture, a tradition handed down generations, and a potent economic asset. This cultural affinity towards gold is a major contributor to India's economic health. It's fascinating to realize that Indian households, from the bustling cities to the tranquil rural landscapes, hold more gold than most of the world's biggest central banks. This makes these households a hidden reservoir of wealth, underpinning the economy in a way that is not immediately apparent. And this isn't just about wealth, it's about financial security and independence. Gold provides a safety net, a hedge against inflation, and a source of wealth that can be passed down generations. So the next time you see gold in an Indian household, remember, it's not just a piece of jewelry, it's a piece of a financial secret. Think of India's economy, and you might picture booming IT companies and bustling factories. But what if the real power lies elsewhere? The unorganized sector, often overlooked, is a silent powerhouse of India's economic landscape. It's a vast and diverse arena comprising small-scale industries, casual laborers, street vendors, and much more. This sector, unregulated and primarily cash-based, contributes significantly to India's GDP. It's a testament to the resilience and resourcefulness of millions of Indians who carve out their livelihoods under challenging circumstances. Moreover, this sector is a major employment generator, employing a large portion of the population. It's the lifeblood of many Indian households, providing a means of survival and a path to upward mobility for countless families. In the complexity of India's economy, the unorganized sector is a secret engine, silently driving the nation's financial health. It's a testament to India's spirit of endurance and innovation, showing that power can indeed lie in unexpected places,